Do you want to say something in response to Mr. Liu's point about the consequences of adopting your interpretation, which is that it's going to be very easy for people who are unhappy with the delivery of mail to claim that they're not getting their letters because of intentional conduct as opposed to negligent conduct? Is that going to be hard for people to plead consistent with Rule 11? I mean, a lot of people may think that what's happening is intentional. I don't get my mail because I didn't give the mail carrier a tip at Christmas, or I have a big dog that ran up to the door and scared the mail carrier on one point, or I complained to the mail carrier that he or she was putting my neighbor's mail in my mailbox, or putting my mail in the mailbox of my neighbors, or she or he looked askance at my holiday decorations, or there's some characteristic about me that the mail carrier doesn't like. Is that going to be hard? And what will the consequences be if all these suits are filed and they have to be litigated? Is the cost of a first-class letter going to be $3 now?
So I do think that's going to be hard. So remember, even alleging negligent conduct is tricky here, because if all you have is my package didn't show up, you're going to get kicked out of court. Certainly alleging wrongful conduct. And so again, we're not just, I just want to clarify, because I think Mr. Liu's presentation maybe muddled these two things. We're not saying intentional just in the sense of like it didn't fall out of the bag. We're saying wrongful, as in you knew you were putting it in the wrong place. I do think that the Iqbal standard makes that quite tough, and that's particularly tough given the other FTCA guardrails, right? So still has to be within the scope of the employment. 2680A, right, basically says kind of mistakes of law or anything that gives the government employee discretion doesn't count. And if there's some conduct left that makes it into court, we know Congress did not want to immunize USPS wholesale or even all failings in the postal obligation. It knew how to do that. It did that with the majority of the other exceptions and didn't do so here.
All right, thank you.
Justice Sotomayor?
No, thank you.
Okay. Justice Gorsuch?
Very quickly, I promise.
Yeah.